In this video, I'll show you how to reset your MetaMask account password. Before we begin, it's important to understand how MetaMask passwords work. Your MetaMask password only unlocks the wallet on your current device. It is not the same as your secret recovery phrase. If you forget your password, you can reset access to your wallet only if it'll help you seek secret recovery phrase. First, open MetaMask on your browser extension or mobile app. If you are on the unlock screen and you do not remember your password, look for the option that says Forgot Password, Reset Wallet, or Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. The exact wording may look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is usually very similar. Next, MetaMask will ask you to enter your secret recovery phrase. This is the 12-word phrase you received when you first created your wallet. Enter the words in the correct order, with spaces between each word. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing words. After entering the recovery phrase, create a new password. Choose a strong password that is difficult for others to guess, but easy enough for you to remember. You may need to enter it twice to confirm it. Once you continue, MetaMask will restore access to your wallet and your account should appear again. If you had multiple accounts inside MetaMask, you may need to add them back manually. To do this, open MetaMask, click your account icon, and select Create Account or Add Account. MetaMask will usually recreate your previous accounts in the same order. If you imported accounts using private keys, you may need to import those private keys again. Now, if you still know your current password and only want to change it, the process may be different. You can usually lock MetaMask, choose the password reset option, and restore the wallet with your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask does not normally let you recover the old password itself. Instead, you restore the wallet and create a new one. Always be careful during this process. Never type your free secret recovery phrase into a website, chat, email, or support form. Only enter it inside the official MetaMask app or extension. Fake websites often pretend to help you reset your wallet, but they are actually trying to steal your recovery phrase. Also, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. MetaMask support will never ask for it. Anyone who has your secret recovery phrase can take full control of your wallet and move your funds. So, to reset your MetaMask password, you need to restore your wallet using your secret recovery phrase, then create a new password for the device you are using. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.